Hey, good morning everybody. We are the LS Engine Kings. I don't just state it, we know it here. This is one badass 427. It's rated at 650. This one just got done making 669 horsepower. Fantastic. Not only do they run, but they look beautiful. This one has the CVF full boat system on here. This is going into a 69 Chevy Camaro. No, 1970 Chevy Camaro. Been painted Chevy orange. This LS Series, late series engine is one badass piece. This gentleman chose to have the coils put on the top a little differently than most guys chose. They have a coil thing that we can still show the valve cover that have a Chevy emblem on them. Really cool. Again, we build them the way you like them to look, and they run the way I want them to run. Hey, peace. How's that? Up on high RPM, and it'll come down to our target item. Beautiful oil pressure, fantastic air filled horsepower. There we go.